7 homemade and natural body exfoliators for all skin types. Your skin deserves to be taken ample care of and to be treated like a precious jewel. And exfoliating skin is one of the most imperative aspects that fall under taking care of it. But it is only valid if you get a tad bit skeptical when it comes to choosing the right body exfoliator, as most of the time the fancy ones turn out to be probably the worst, and going for the cheap ones isn't less of a risk either. So what is one supposed to do in such a situation? Easy, make your own homemade body exfoliator. And it isn't even that difficult as you might think it is. Here are ways to create a homemade, natural and safe body exfoliator for different skin types. Avocado and honey scrub for nourishment. As honey is rich in anti-inflammatory properties and avocados tend to contain tons of vitamins and antioxidants, together they make an excellent pair for nourishing one's skin. Here's how to make it. In a bowl, mash half whole avocado, add about 3 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. Mix it and apply it to damp skin and make sure to rinse it off with lukewarm water. And there you go, with a gentle and soothing exfoliator. The perfect scrub for oily skin. You'll need some bentonite clay for this one. This is because it helps to suck the oil from your skin, which is ultimately beneficial for people with acne, as oily skin is the most common cause of acne. And along with the clay, you'll require a nourishing as well as an exfoliating ingredient, to which you can take some whole milk powder and almond meal. Here's how to make it. Put half cup of bentonite clay along with half cup of almond meal and about 2 tablespoons of whole milk powder in a bowl. Drop some almond oil and 2 tablespoons of water to stir and get a paste as the result. And finally, apply gently over the skin and let it dry completely before you rinse it off with some warm water. Say goodbye to oily skin and acne. Treat your dry skin with this natural scrub. Is dry skin irritating you all the day? Well, scraping it off is only going to make it worse, so quit doing that. Treat your skin with a lovely homemade scrub instead. Here's how to make it. In a small bowl, put some coconut oil and sugar and keep stirring till you properly mix both the ingredients. Then scrub it off softly on your skin for a couple of minutes after application and rinse it dry with some warm water. And voila, you have the perfect solution for treating your dry skin. Skin too sensitive? Try out this brown sugar and olive oil scrub. Brown sugar is always better to use as an ingredient in skin-related situations, as it is more refined and softer than white sugar, which is why it does not cause skin irritation. And this scrub is the best way to exfoliate your skin without causing any irritation whatsoever. Here's how to make it. In a bowl, take some brown sugar and olive oil and mix it till you get a smooth paste. Gently massage your skin with this paste before washing it off. This will not only soothe skin sensitivity but also helps to nourish your skin and give it a radiant look. Natural and refreshing scrub for glowing and radiant skin. Do you want to improve your skin health and give it a healthy glow but don't want to use artificial products? Well then, this is just about the perfect homemade scrub for you, as it provides your skin with a better glow naturally. Here's how to make it. Take a bowl and squeeze 1 lemon juice, 1 whole lemon, then put about 5 spoons of olive oil and 1½ tablespoon of lemon zest. Now mix it away, and after application wash it with warm water. This is especially great for a radiant and fresh look, as the lemon helps to brighten and refresh your skin while the olive oil exfoliates it. A lovely strawberry scrub. If your skin is breaking out frequently, is prone to pimples and goes dull very easily, then this amazing homemade strawberry scrub is the perfect gift for your skin. Not only will it help you with treating as well as preventing pimples, but will also help you with clearing out surface bacteria and giving your skin a natural glow. Here's how to make it. Mash half a cup of strawberries and put it in a bowl. Then take half a cup of almond meal and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Add just a splash of raw apple cider vinegar and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Rub the mixture lightly on your skin and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with some warm water. Oh, what a sweet way to look after your skin! A homemade scrub to hydrate your skin. Keeping your skin healthy and hydrated is as important as keeping it oil-free and balanced. And this scrub will help you provide hydration and nourishment to your skin, and at the same time it will exfoliate it as well. Here's how to make it. Add 5 cherries, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of almond powder and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to a bowl. Then add 3 tablespoons of yogurt to the mixture and stir all the ingredients properly. Now apply softly to your skin and scrub and exfoliate it for about 30 seconds. Make sure you don't overdo it by scrubbing too much or too harshly, and gently wash it with lukewarm water. And you would have unlocked the key to hydrated and nourished skin. All these homemade scrubs are extremely easy to make and are absolutely natural. So now you have nothing to worry about. Just treat your skin and let it flourish. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.